Hello, today's Gupshup. Come December and it's picnic time. Since school days and college days, we remember December, the cold weather sets in and we all gear up for picnics. We go for picnics with our family, sometimes friends, and in school, it's a class picnic. The teachers take us to different places close by. It's also a very learning experience. Someone plans up the whole thing, where to go, how much money has to be collected, what is to be eaten there, who brings, all that I think makes us very interested. We learn also a lot of things. I in my life have gone for many picnics, and one of the picnics that I visited during COVID times is to Burudi Dam. Now, this is somewhere between Bengal and Jharkhand border. Of course, with little bit planning with the eats and all, because we didn't want to eat outside food. So we set up very early. The sun was about to rise. It was little cloudy, so the weather was little foggy also. After a drive of about say about 5 to 8 kilometers, the sun rose. It looked so nice. Early rays shining through the trees. It made a really good picture. On the way, there were a lot of morning walkers and joggers with their masks. I was very impressed with their spirit. Early morning, all cooped up with mufflers and sweaters and shoes and all that. But I think one thing they could have avoided is the mask, because we go for walk in fresh air, and early morning the air is quite fresh, and this I think we can avoid the mask for a while. Soon we touched the highway. That was the NH18. Just before touching the highway, I could see uh, the essential service people, the milkman, the vegetable seller, the fishmonger, all of them with huge baskets on their bike with stuff lined up inside. These people must have really hurried in the morning. They must have woken up at 3:30. They went to the main market where they can get their whatever they want to buy and sell, and they were hurriedly going, and on the way they were talking very joyful, very nice. The day starts very early. We don't realize how much effort goes into the things that we get just at the doorstep. As we touched the highway, I could see the trucks either ready to, looking for place to park, or at certain distance we could see rows of trucks parked. These drivers, they must have really driven the whole night, because they try to cover up the maximum during night, so that the traffic is less that time, so they can do their maximum. By morning they are ready to take some rest, bathe and get ready for the day. They also have a very difficult life. Whole night, their biological clock must be so different, because whole night they are driving, then morning, afternoon they must be taking small naps. Must be difficult. They transport so many things, so many essential items. Also, they must be carrying raw material to the market, finished goods from the factory to the market area. Sometimes when we shift also, our items are transferred by these people. When on the road, we if we are careful and little we pay attention, then we see things that are easily available. There are other people who are really working hard for it. Now, after traveling for some distance, we reached some part of the highway which had thick jungle, very nice jungle. Maybe there are some wild animals like foxes and jackals, maybe deer also, because the jungle looked very nice, tall, towering trees, very nice. Then we were about to reach our destination, and we had to take a turn. There was nice beautiful lake with lots of lotuses, so many lotuses, maybe about hundreds of them, pink and white, beautiful lotuses. We stopped to have a look at those plants, and I tried to get one, but it was difficult. It was not possible. They were little away. From there, the road was a little, no, that was a village road. And the road on either side, there were huts. There were concrete buildings also. The huts, one thing very special, the huts were very well painted and decorated with different kinds of drawing, uh, you can see in the picture. They look very colorful and very pleasant. On the village road, another striking thing was heaps of paddy stacks. They were just strewn on the road. I was wondering why they do that. We reached our destination. The dam is a nice, it is very serene, a huge dam. The villagers over there come to help the picnickers. Help in the sense they cook food, there are tea stalls, and there are small clay articles also that they sell. We were very early in the morning, so not many people were there. And that was the time we chose such an early hour because we didn't want to go in a crowded place, yet we wanted an outing. We sat on the banks of the dam. We had to walk downhill for some time, so just say about 5 minutes. And we found a place. We were comfortable. We had our breakfast. Then one thing that made me little sad was the surrounding. I think people like us, the picnickers, must have come. They have left their garbage behind, and that gave a lot of I know ill feeling. We can easily carry back our garbage. We did that. We put everything back in a plastic, everything in our plastic bag, the garbage, whatever disposable items we had, and we disposed it at home. Each one of us does that. I think next time we visit, we find a better, cleaner place. The picnic was nice and interesting. On our way back in NH18, we found a little secluded space, where secluded in the sense there were not no one there, but there were tall trees, real tall thick trees, and there was little, as if someone has made that place for us. So we sat there, we sang songs, we had our soup and lunch, and then we came back to our cars, and uh, we just stopped for a while on the highway. I could see some cars speeding so much, it must be around 130, 140 kilometers per hour. I understand those cars are designed to take high speeds, especially on highway, but it was little scary. And I'm sure the drivers are very confident and they are used to that kind of engineering. And these good cars, they already have lot of inbuilt safety measures. That's why they are so taking such high speed, but it was little scary. The road was too good. NH18 is really very nice. It was not crowded at all, and I think the truck drivers also were resting, so not many trucks, and also there were very few cars also, because I think because of this COVID thing, not many people are on the road. This NH18, I think it connects to, but I don't know how far the road is as good. But whatever we traveled was really nice and pleasant and very comfortable. Picnic season, really we look forward to it because there's lots of fun, there's lot of we feeling. We spend great time outside without any worries. Feels good. I enjoyed my picnic very much. Hope you all also take small close by areas and take a time when not many people are around so that you can also enjoy, and there will be less traffic and you will have a good time. Happy picnic season.